Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're doing this unboxing. It's a phone I got off eBay. This is just an individual phone. I do have another eBay lot that I'm unboxing pretty soon. I think I picked this one up for $5 if I remember right. There it is. I do buy from the seller a lot, I would say. There it is. As usual, packaging and everything. It's the Motorola. I can't remember the model number of it. Nor do I remember how to get the back off of this. There's that. Here's the battery. It is the... I got a phone that died over there. Doesn't have a model number anywhere on it, but I can't remember it. But there it is, guys. It is untested, so we'll have to put some power to it, see if we can get it to work. It's a pretty nice feeling phone, actually. It's decent build quality. It's metal. It's glass, so we'll see if we can get it turned on, guys, and I'll do an update video on it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one.